All right, here we go. Last problem, problem 57, page 670. You have problems 59 and 60 to do as sisters. This problem doesn't want much. It gives you an equation. It says find the center, the transverse axis, the vertices, the foci. Heck, find the asymptotes. And then if you would, just graph it. And oh look, we get to complete the square. So let's do it. But just take a moment. I just tell you to do this. What do we see? I see a positive y, I see a negative x. Sorry, positive y squared, coefficient on y squared positive, coefficient on x squared negative. We've got an up-down hyperbola, okay? That'll help right off the bat. Let me see how quickly I can do this. Let me complete the square. I got a y squared. I'm going to bring over a minus 4y. I'm going to divide that by 2. I'm going to get 2 squared, get 4. Add 4, subtract 4. I'm going to do the same thing with x squareds. I'm going to factor out a 4. So here's the minus 4x squared. Add a 2x because minus 4 times plus 2 is a minus 4x. I'm going to divide 2 by 2, get 1, square it. Get 1, subtract 1, and what do I have left? Minus 4 equals 0. So my y squared is right there, my 4x squared is right there, my 4y is right there. I got an 8x right there, there's my 4, and I added 0 otherwise. I'm ready to say that that is y minus 2 quantity squared minus 4x plus 1 quantity squared, and I've got a minus 4. Takes care of that. And I've got a plus 4. Ooh, that's nice. There's the plus 4. Minus 4 times minus 1. And I've got this minus 4 floating around as well, too. So we just took care of every term there. I checked. Equals 0. And so minus 4 and 4 go away. 4 goes over on this side. I need a 1 there. Divide by 4. And you have got y minus 2 squared all over 2 squared minus, what are we doing? The 4's went away, so I've got x plus 1 squared all over 1 squared, and that's equal to 1. And let's just break it down. The a is the associated with the transverse axis, and it is associated with y. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to 1. Everything is not an A is a B. And then, gosh, I don't want to get this far and get this wrong. B squared is equal to C squared minus A squared. That means that 1 squared is equal to C squared minus 4. That's going to result in C is equal to root 5. All right, that's enough to make us dangerous. By the way, the other things you can pull off this is h. If this is x minus h, then h is minus 1. And if this is y minus k, then k is 2. So I've got the coordinates of the center. I've got a lot here. Let's just draw this thing, okay? So I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to bring it over here. I got a y-axis, I got an x-axis. They all have little points. Trust me. And what have I got? I got a center, and that center is at minus 1, 2. Let's go find that. Minus 1, 2. Right there's a center. It's a center. See? That's why there's a C there. I don't want to do a C. C's confuse me. Center. Right there. Okay? 2 on either side of that, up and down, is where the vertices are. So this is minus. Why do I have this looking so funny? Yeah, okay. Did I draw this the wrong way? Yeah, I'm trying to draw this the wrong way. Hold on. The center is at minus 1 plus 2. There's the center right there. I got a vertex on both sides of that along this transverse axis, which, oh, by the way, is x equals minus 1. Am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm doing it right. Transverse axis is parallel to the y-axis is x minus 1. So I've got to go, where's A? Where's A? Is 2. I've got to go up 2 to 4, 3, 4, and I got to go down 2 to 0. So there's the vertices. Let's just say that's a vertex and that's a vertex, okay? And then I've got to go root 5 up from the center and root 5 down. So this is 2. So this point right here is one of the 2 focal points, and it is minus 1. After all, it's on the transverse axis, and it's 2 plus root 5. And then I'm going to go down over here. Here's the other focal point. He's at minus 1. I was 2. I went down root 5. So I'm 2 minus root 5 is that point. So I got the focal points taken care of. I have the vertices taken care of. I've got this taken care of. What are the asymptotes? In this case, the asymptotes are, they would be y is equal to plus or minus a over bx, but that's the formula when the center's at the origin. When the center's not at the origin, then what we're going to do is go say y minus k is equal to plus or minus a over b times x minus h. Let's install h's and k's there. That's a y minus 2 is equal to plus or minus a over b. A over b is 2. And x minus h is x plus 1. So there are the asymptotes, and let's just draw something here. Here's a vertex taken off like that. There's a center, a vertex taken off like that. Here are the asymptotic lines, just like that. And by gum, I think we've got it done here. Okay. There's the asymptotes, the 2 focal points, the 2 vertices. I didn't really write down the vertices. I'm kind of ahead of the game right now. I don't think I will. The vertices are a removed, so they're minus 1, 0 right there, and this vertex is minus 1, 4. Is it not? Is it not? Yeah. Okay, vertices right here. Okay, boy, go figure that out, would you? Talk about a problem that needed some different colors, but hopefully you can decipher it. All right.